What's going on, my bag chasers? Today, I want to talk about what I think can be one of the best opportunities in crypto right now. I already think just being in crypto right now at this point in time is in itself one of the best opportunities financially. Keep it at that. However, today, what I'm going to present to you is what I'm doing, what I think. Do your own research. So I'm going to keep it quick, clean, lean, knock out my points so you can at least have the information. That's it, right? I think that's fair because I feel strongly about this. With that being said, we're going to roll right the fuck in. As you can see, I changed up the attire today just to let you know I'm not fucking around with this shit, bro. I'm so dead ass. Anyway, let me introduce to you Tan. We're talking about Tan. If you haven't heard of it, then I'm blessed to be able to present this information to you. If you have heard of it, then let me know what you think about the points I'm bringing. Am I exaggerating when I say one of the greatest opportunities? Yes or no? Anyway, let's get right to it, because if you don't know what it is the open network. How I think about it, Tan, is it's Telegram's blockchain. Let me give you the quick fact as well. It is the number 8 coin in the world, sitting at a 24, almost $25 billion market cap. I'm not here to talk about the Tan coin itself. That's what we just looked at. It's like $7. Who cares? Number 8 in the world. What I want to talk about is the opportunity. Because if you buy a Tan coin and it does a 3x, bro, we're not here for that. We're not. Boom. First point. This is extremely important to me because it's Telegram. Within my experience, there are 2 major channels for communication within the crypto space. Number 1, as you hopefully you said in your fucking head, Twitter. I think Twitter is probably the number 1 space for crypto communication. Call it crypto Twitter. 2 is Telegram. Now, with that being said, Telegram creating their own blockchain just makes sense, right? And with the cycle that we're starting and leading into, there's absolutely going to be a nice little flow of money into the Tan ecosystem because everything is fucking there already with regards to crypto. And the reason I think of that a little bit deeper than some might is because I've been trading, coins for a while, these Solana coins for a while. I'm not going to lie. Made a lot of money, and I made a lot of money using bots on Telegram. And I also will not lie, I only downloaded Telegram, made my account, and started using it because of crypto. Crypto introduced me to Telegram, right? With that being said, that's my experience, and that's kind of why I fuck with this a little bit more. But let me share this fucking fact with you. So Telegram, as of March 2024, a couple months ago, has more than 900 million monthly active users. Let's call it a billion, just because, that's a better number. And of course, you see it's 900 million, but we're going to call it a billion because we fuck with that. So 1 billion active users. And it's one of the main channels of communication for the crypto space. Now, that is a major point because they already have the access to so many people. And I directly relate this to the base chain. Coinbase's incubated layer 2. There's their blockchain. And it's all related because Coinbase's very optimistic goal is to onboard 1 billion users. So, and I'm going to make that a whole different video. I think Base Chain right now is absolutely another great opportunity. However, I think Telegram is so much more low key, and whenever I ask people about it, nobody's in it. Nobody really gives a fuck. That's why I think it's slept on, and that's why I think it's even better of an opportunity than Base, and that's why I'm talking about it first. Blah blah blah. 900 million monthly active users is insane to me, because that's Base's goal for the next year, just to hit a billion users on their shit. We get Telegram has a billion every month active. With that being said, if the cycle plays out kind of in the way that I'm expecting, kind of all of us are expecting, there absolutely will be a crazy inflow of money into this Telegram blockchain. Furthermore, on that point itself, I was looking through the website a little bit and I saw this picture. This picture fucking rang bells to me. Why this was significant to me is because they're about to incorporate their own fucking Venmo in this shit, their own fucking Apple Pay, Apple Cash, send bread from person to person using the TON coin. Why is that important? Because the more revenue and the higher the evaluation and market cap of TON goes up, that typically, when people have their gains on the main coin, it gets dispersed into the smaller coins, right? I mean, shout out Ethereum type shit, shout out Solana, shout out Bitcoin. Essentially, Bitcoin is like that, but just with everything. Bitcoin goes up, everything below it does. TON goes up, everything below it does. That's an example of why it has such high conviction in my head. Another quick example, and I'll take a screenshot, but my phone's recording. I put in $1,000 a couple of weeks ago into these different TON coins, right, on the TON blockchain, and that 1,000 right now is sitting a little over 2K. So that's kind of why, not that I hesitated, but I didn't post the video as soon as I could have or should have, honestly, because I kind of wanted to see reassurance in my idea that I already had. And that's why I threw a band at it, just a little band type shit. And I already put it in my Telegram group that I'm going to turn this 1K into 20K TON alone. And that wallet, I'm going to make more wallets because now I'm more bought in. So I just want to put y'all on to the idea of what the Telegram blockchain is capable of. It's 1 billion people every month. Coinbase just wants 1 billion in general. And bro, and meme coins on Coinbase, shout out Brett, hit 800 million in weeks. Dude, the potential is insane. So that's what I'm saying. I want to keep it really brief, surface level, so then you're still asking questions and can go do your own fucking research. But I want to present the information to you. With that being said, I'm going to slide into the things that I am holding. Okay. Shout out the empty watch list. Let me sign in, I guess. Cool. My fault. So this is what I currently hold. I chose 5 meme coins on the Telegram blockchain to disperse this band into, right? And the biggest gainer, and I'm just going to talk about the biggest gainer, has been Resistance Cat. I think I got in like, I think below $1 million market cap, and it has done very well for me. However, a $4.2 million market cap, and this is a huge point right here. Look, there has been no activity for the last 6 hours, buy or sell. That means that is speaking volumes to me in terms of nobody is here yet, bro. That's why it's such an opportunity. Nobody is here yet. And people can look at that and be like, bro, I'm never going to touch that. Fuck that. Fuck out of here. However, a great point is also going to be, this is a long-term hold. I'm planning on holding this bitch for a year. I have 2,000. Well, I put in 1,000. It doubled already. Bro, 20K is going to be minimum for this little one band portfolio. And I'm going to keep y'all updated for sure. I just want to let you know exactly what I'm in right now. And I'll give you another point real quick, because I just want to keep the video quick, short, clean. This is the #1 meme resistance dog. We're not going to get into it. Well, I could, but I'm not going to get into it because I really want you to do your own research in terms of I'm giving you just enough that you know, but not enough to where you're super convinced to go, drop your whole fucking paycheck in this bitch. So boom, resistance dog is the #1 meme coin. That's why I bought it. Resistance cat is a direct play off of the number one meme coin, but it's a cat. Why cannot it could easily be the number one cat on this chain? And I wasn't going to go through all of them, but Morphe, give you a little idea. This is the owner's cat. Easy. This is a meme of the owner himself. And there's I think they're brothers as owners. However, this is what I'm allocated to right now. I have 1,000, it doubled up. I'm going to hit 20,000 easy. And if you did the same thing, honestly, if you do the same thing in terms of, allocate like a bando into some shit like this, hit me up because I want to give you something. I don't know what yet, but I just thought about that right now. If you have conviction, like I have conviction, bro, I got you. You're not going to lose. You're not going to lose. Moving on. I want to show you how to get it real quick. Show you how to get it if you want to, whatever, bruh. Get your wallet, Timekeeper. That's where you're going to store your Ton coin. But the thing is, this is completely different than like anything else. So then you have to go to Simple Swap. I'll link it in the description. But you pull up here, buy with whatever. And this is there's a big reason why I want to include this part, because you could just figure it out on your own. Buy with whatever, right? You want to go to Ton. Boom, click on exchange, of course, bruh. Just stupid shit. So, what you have to do here, very fucking basic, enter your Ton address, the one you just made. Here, memo, do a memo now, who give a fuck, bro. Create an exchange. Hold on, can I do this real quick? I want to see if I can fast forward. Fuck, I can't really. Okay. So, fuck. I don't have my wallet on this computer. I have fucking 5 computers around the house, and it's only on one. My Telegram, my Ton wallet is only on one of my computers. But I wanted to show you and go a little deeper. However, I can explain it very well. You're going to enter your Ton address into the address you want to get it deposited into. So your Ton address goes here. Create an exchange. Next page, they're going to tell you to send Ethereum, because I chose Ethereum, to a wallet. It's going to be a random wallet. You've never seen it before. It's not yours. You're going to send that 0.1 Ethereum to that wallet. And however the fuck they do it, they will track that deposit that you sent to that random wallet and take it, deposit Ton into that other wallet. And the major fucking reason I even wanted to bring it up is because I did it with a test. I think the test is like a minimum of $20, but I just wanted to make sure that I'm not gonna fuck myself over, right? I just want to make sure it worked. So I wanted to see that money pop up in my fucking Ton wallet. Cool, sent $20. The thing is, that shit took over 24 hours to actually deposit into my Ton wallet. So I was like, damn, I just lost that $20. However, I did that because I've never done it before, for one. But also, two, since I've never done it before, I didn't want to send a 1,000 just straight. Just, because if I would have sent that 1,000 and for some reason it didn't work and didn't pop up, I'll say I would have been upset. So I just want to tell you as well, please test it, because it did end up working. It went right through after 24 fucking hours. If I had to wait 24 hours for that bando to come through, I would have been pissed the fuck off, to say minimally. However, it came through, and then when I actually did the 1,000, a day later, that shit came through like instantly. So I just want to give you that like fair heads up, just learning from my experience. Please do a little fucking test, and then if it works, just repeat the process. Next thing, so I can end this fucking video, is this is where you'll make your swap. Once you have the Ton wallet loaded with some bread, then you'll come here, take the contract address of whatever you want, and make your little swap. And then boom, now in your Ton wallet, you have the number one meme coin. And that's an example how you can also just click on it. So overall, I made this shit really short, sweet, super surface level. Hopefully I gave enough information, but I really just wanted to make a quick video to present that Telegram's blockchain has crazy potential. I only put 1,000 into it. However, I'm seeing returns, and I think this shit will go fucking nuts. Would I recommend it? Would I recommend you buying into it and just having a little piece in there? Absolutely. With that being said, do your own research. I appreciate you for being here again. Good looking out. Quick video. Thank you for being here and bearing with me through this fucking ramble fest. Peace.